Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to open and edit JSON file in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without one more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. So right now you can see I have a tons of JSON files. So if I click on it, so you can see it's asking to search in the Play Store. So we don't have any inbuilt JSON file viewer or editor on any Android smartphones. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser. In the Google search, just search for one application name as JSON list by /CE14. On the first list, you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below again. Now you can see here releases. Just click on it. Once again, scroll down below again. Now you can see here the first file JSONlist.apk. So you need to download this apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So now just click on this open. Click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now just click on this open file. Now locate to the folder where you have saved the JSON file by clicking on these three horizontal lines. Now you can select the respective storage or any files, whichever you want. So right now you can see all the JSON files. So let me select one JSON file. Now you can see it's opening the JSON file. Now you can click on the respective file and you can see all the details. And if you want to edit it, then just click on this pencil-like icon. Now you can click anywhere which you want to edit. Now you can see here, you can edit it. You can click on OK. So it's asking to confirm. Click on OK. Now you can just click on done. And if you want to save this edited one, then just click on the save option. Click on save, then it will be saved. So by using this cool application named as JSON list by /CE14, you can easily open and edit JSON file in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.